Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Greenworks 40V battery charger lights issue, whether it's red, green, or flashing. If your Greenworks charger is showing a solid red, or not turning green at all, don't worry. It's a common problem with a few simple fixes. Now, here is the solution step by step. Step 1. Understand what the lights mean. So first, let's quickly go over what the light indicators actually mean. A solid red light means the battery is charging normally. A flashing red light means there's a charging error like overheating or bad connection. A solid green light means the battery is fully charged. No light means the charger isn't receiving power or the battery isn't seated properly. Step 2. Check the power source. Unplug the charger and plug it into another outlet. Make sure the power outlet is working. Try using another device to test it. Sometimes the issue is just a weak or faulty socket. Step 3. Clean the battery contacts. Remove the battery from the charger. Use a dry cloth or soft brush to clean the metal terminals on both the charger and the battery. Dust or corrosion can block the connection and trigger the flashing red light. Step 4. Cool down the battery. If you just finished using your Greenworks tool, the battery might be hot. Let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes before placing it back on the charger. Overheated batteries often cause flashing or solid red lights. Step 5. Reinsert and observe the light. Now, firmly place the battery back into the charger. If it starts with a solid red light, that means it's charging correctly. When it turns solid green, it's done. If it's still flashing red, your battery might be deeply discharged or damaged. Method 2. Jumpstart a dead battery if flashing red continues. So if your battery isn't recognized at all, you can try a soft reset. Plug in the charger, insert and remove the battery several times quickly. This sometimes wakes up the battery's internal circuit. If that doesn't work, try charging another battery to confirm if the issue is with the charger or the battery itself. Important notes. Always use the original Greenworks charger for your battery model. Never charge a hot or swollen battery. That can be dangerous. And if both lights keep flashing alternately, the battery is likely faulty and may need replacement. And that's it. You've just learned how to fix Greenworks 40V charger red, green, and flashing light issues step by step. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple power tool fix guides.